Tuberculosis, the reason for Nature's Sanatorium in New Mexico. The health seekers' travel transportation. Disease has ravaged the Southwest for years, tuberculosis being one of the most famous. Tuberculosis, which is a disease which attacks the respiratory system and slowly kills its victims, and it does not discriminate between the rich and the poor. Those who are wealthy enough would take a change of climate of curing or slowing down the progress of rapid disease, looking towards the unspoiled lands of the Southwest. 1920 health seekers began to flood into the idealistic New Mexican landscapes. With its high elevation, abundant sunshine, it becomes idealistic for those afflicted. Many would journey to this wild west for the dry climate and the environment that would give the afflicted some ease. Those chasing the enchanted New Mexico would either travel by wagon, train, slowly, as they had many people aboard. What is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is a disease. Tuberculosis is a horrible disease that affects the respiratory system and fills the lungs with fluid, where many experience effects similar to drowning. Some of the tuberculosis symptoms are coughing with blood, chest pain, weight loss, tiredness, fever, night sweats, chills, and not feeling hungry. Relaxation and patient daily life included many of tuberculosis, the reason for Nature's Sanatorium in New Mexico. Tuberculosis, once the leading cause of death in America, brought thousands of health seekers to New Mexico.
Nature's Sanatorium
From 1880 to 1940, they flocked to the mountains and deserts hoping to heal.
Cause of death in
Those
America
with sufficient resources checked in to one of the 60 sanatoriums, while others chased the cure on their feet.
They flocked into mountains and deserts hoping to heal.
They were called
Those with
lizards.
sufficient